From class 8 math ncert cbse book we have reached in exercise 13.2 question number 10. Okay, what is the question? That two person could fit new window in a house in 3 days. Okay, that means two person take 3 days to fit window, a new window. Okay, in one window it need 3 days for two person. Understand? Now the question is, one of the person fell ill, that means one person reduced. Okay, now it become only one person. There was already it was 2 person and 1 person fell ill, that means we have only 1 person. So 1 person before the work started, okay, before the work started 1 person fell ill, so definitely this person will not work. Who fell ill, that person will not work, only 1 person will work. Okay, so how long would the job take now? Now he is telling, he is asking that how long it will take to complete the job, to fit the window. Okay, so we will suppose that it will take x days. Okay, and then we will solve it. So reduced number, first of all we will confirm that how much number of person we have. Then reduced number of person is equal to, there was 2% and 1 person fell ill, that means 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, let required here, suppose required number of days equal to x. Okay, in x number of days the work will complete, or that person will fit the window completely. Okay, so they need x days, so we have supposed that required number of days equal to x. Okay, first of all we will make the table. So in the form of table we have number of person and number of day to fit the window. Number of person, he has told that two number of person take 3 days. So this is our primary value, this is our primary value, and secondary value was this. So by this value, this raw material, we will find out these things. Okay, so when the number of person was 2, then they take 3 days to fit the window. For number of person 1, because one number of person was fell ill, so we have now 1 person. For number of person 1, they will take x days, it is supposed. Okay, for less number of that means if the number of person are more, then job will complete in less days or in less hour. The time taken will be less, and if the number of person is less, then time taken will be more. That means for less number of person, the more would be the number of days to fit the window. So it is the case of inverse proportion, because this reduce, so this increase, so it is the case of inverse proportion. So it is the case of inverse proportion. Therefore 2 into 3 is equal to 1 into x. So value will be x into 1 is equal to x, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So x equal to 6 or 6 days. So required number of days equal to 6. Okay, question number 1 complete. What is the question number 2? Now how many person would be needed to fit the window in one day. Okay, here we will have to find out the number of person. Okay, and our initial value is 2 person 3 days. Okay, 2 person fit the window in 3 days. So in one day, how many person we need. Okay, so definitely if we want to complete any job in less time, then we have to increase the number of person. If the number of person will increase, definitely the time taken will be reduced. So here he has told that 3 days, 2 person takes 3 days. For one day we have to increase the number of person. Okay, these 2 person can't fit in one day, we need more person. So what will write that let required number of person be y. Okay, to fit the window in one day we need y number of person. Okay, in the form of table, first of all what we will do, we will make a table. So number of person, number of days to fit the window, 2 number initial value, we have already initial value that 2 person fit the window in 3 days. So number of days, again in question 2 he has told that in one day how many person will fit the window. So in one day we have supposed that y number of person it will take, y number of person will complete the job. Okay, so for less number of days to fit the window, the more would be the person. Okay, तो केस क्या है, इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन का केस है, इट इज द केस ऑफ इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन. सो 2 into 3 is equal to y into 1. So y is equal to y into 1 is equal to y. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So required number of person will be 6. Okay, question number 2, question number 10 part 2 has completed. Okay.